If Figma is giving you a setup error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step fix so you can get Figma installed and running again on your Windows PC. This is a common issue, especially when an older installation, leftover files, or security software is interfering with the new setup. We'll clean out the old app data, remove the problem folders, check your antivirus or firewall settings, and then run the installer properly so you can finish the install without errors. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, you want to uninstall the current version of Figma from your computer. Go to your Windows settings, then open Apps or Apps and Features, find Figma in the list, and uninstall it completely. If there are any old Figma folders left behind after uninstalling, delete those too. Sometimes the setup error happens because the installer is detecting leftover files from a previous version, so this step is important. Next, we're going to clear Figma's local data. Press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the run box. In the run box, type %appdata%\Figma and press enter. If that folder opens, delete the Figma folder inside it. Then go back to the run box again, type %localappdata%\Figma and press enter. If that folder exists, delete it as well. These folders can store cached or broken installation data, and removing them often fixes setup problems right away. After that, check your security software. Sometimes third-party firewalls or antivirus programs block the installer or flag it as suspicious even when it's safe. If you have antivirus protection installed outside of Windows security, temporarily turn it off while you install Figma. Also check for any strict firewall rules or app protection settings that might be stopping the setup from completing. Just remember to turn protection back on after the install is finished. Now that the old files are gone and your security software is out of the way, download a fresh copy of the Figma installer from the official source. Once it's downloaded, right-click the installer and choose Run as Administrator. Running the installer with admin permissions helps Windows give it the access it needs to write files and complete setup properly. If the installer asks for permission, click Yes and let it continue. After that, wait for the setup to finish. In many cases, one of these steps will completely solve the error and Figma will open normally. If it still doesn't work, restart your computer and try the process again with a fresh download, because sometimes a simple reboot clears up any locked files or temporary issues. So to recap, uninstall the old app, delete the Figma folders in AppData and LocalAppData, disable any software blocks that may be interfering, and run the new installer as administrator. That combination fixes a lot of Figma setup errors on Windows. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick fixes and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.